cinnamon cookies. These cinnamon cookies are so easy to make because you don't have to chill the dough, you don't have to roll out the dough, and you don't need an electric mixer. So, without further ado, let's see what ingredients we need to make these cookies. We'll be needing half a cup of flour, 1/8 cup of sugar, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 3 tablespoons plus half a teaspoon of room temperature butter. Hi guys! So this is my niece. She's 2 years old and she has come to help me make the cookies.
Yay!
Put all of the ingredients into a bowl and mix until a soft dough is formed. The dough should look like this. Next, we're going to grease our cookie pan. You can use parchment paper instead, but if you don't have parchment paper, you can grease the pan like I did. Lightly grease the pan with butter or any other flavorless oil and coat evenly. Then coat the pan with some flour. Make sure to coat evenly and pat off the excess flour. Take a small piece of dough and roll it into a ball. Then flatten the ball of dough and give it a design using a fork. Place the cookies on the greased cookie sheet and repeat the process for the rest of the cookie dough. Now bake the cookies at 160 Celsius on a preheated oven for about 14 to 15 minutes until the edges of the cookies start to brown. When the cookies are done baking, remove them from the oven and let the cookies cool in the cookie sheet for about 10 minutes.
Yummy!
Bye! The ingredient measurements and the method is in the description box down below, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel right here and click down here for more of my recipes.